All right, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lee Vlogs. Today's is going to be something very, very simple. I saw that I had a lot of views on my video where I did the POV driving the 500 horsepower C7 Corvette, what it sounds like, what it's tuned. So I figured, hey, let's do another video like that. You guys seem to really like them, so why not? Anyways, let's go ahead and start the car up. Alrighty, let's go for a little drive, huh? Let's roll down the windows. How you guys liking the new seats? Pretty nice, huh? Pretty nice. Cool. Alrighty. Now, of course, we gotta put this baby in track mode. Parking brake off. So yeah, you just push that down and the parking brake goes off. Throw it in reverse. So my reverse is all the way to the right and down. Now we got backup screen right there. Let's take her back. Take her back. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh, so since my car's pretty low at an angle, or actually pretty low, I have to come out of my driveway at an angle. So typically I like to go like this and then kind of twist it a little bit. And even then it still revs a little bit, but not too much. And I got that slip low, so, you know, I think I just saw an old school vet. Yeah, look at that. Old school. Nice. All right, let's get it. Pull this mask out of the way. Hopefully this angle's good enough for you guys. Let's see. I think I want to tilt it up a little bit. There we go. We'll tilt it down a ½ inch. There we go. All right, cool. Little morning backfire, huh? Very, very nice. Okay. So, little California stop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All these new houses that they're building pretty close to where I live. That's my 12 o'clock alarm. Alrighty, left, right, safety first, and we're off. Alright. We'll let this car pass first. And we're off. Not bad. Turn on the air conditioning. I'll roll up the windows. Oh. Not gonna lie to you guys, I just woke up maybe about 30 minutes ago, so Still a little tired, but my coffee's starting to kick in a little bit. But if you're watching this video, go ahead and drop in the comments how your day's going so far. Definitely appreciate all you guys reaching out on Instagram, through email, through the comments as well. Just, you know, letting me know, hey, different questions about the Corvette, or letting me know you picked up a Corvette, or if this is a good buy. Definitely appreciate that. It lets me know that you guys are looking at me as a source of information for Corvettes. And I'm just a regular guy. I know just enough of owning this car, but I'm not an expert or anything like that. But definitely appreciate you guys reaching out to me, because I mean, that's what I do in life too. I reach out to people that I know have at least some general knowledge about something I'm interested in. But yeah, I appreciate it, guys. Thank you. All right, looks like we're about to get a green light right now. Green light. I think we're gonna get a green light any second now. Let's see what the camera angle looking like. Okay, there we go, and we're off. You guys one more time. Alrighty. It's kind of a weird angle. We're just cruising today. Just cruising through the town. Actually, headed to an open parking lot to teach you how to drive a manual. So be looking forward to that. It's coming up. Maybe before this video. Who knows? Who knows? So yeah, just cruising around town. I really don't leave fourth gear. I don't go higher than fourth gear because it's unnecessary. Like, I'm at 50 miles per hour right now, but I'm still barely over 2,000 RPMs. That's kind of how this car's gearing is. I mean, a lot of gears, like 7th gear, I never even use on the highway. 6th gear, I'll use that as my cruising, but even that, sometimes I'll just cruise in 5th. A lot of the gearing is kind of unnecessary in this car, or it's so high that it's unattainable. And I don't know, I mean, would you use 7th gear on a track? I don't know. I don't think so. So I'm trying to figure out what 7th gear would even be for, but who knows, man? Who knows? Ugh. Maybe if it was automatic, 7th gear would be cool, I guess, but in a stick, 7th gear, they could have just left this 6 max. They could have left it 5, honestly, but I mean, 6 is cool, I guess. Oh. Is this guy gonna hurry up and go over, or what? What's going on here, buddy? All right. Okay, he's turning now. So we'll blow his doors off. There's no cops behind me. Yeah, I gotta readjust this hat. See, 5th gear right there. So, a lot of you probably are wondering, maybe, what these little paddles do since I have an automatic, right? Or not, since I have a manual car. So in automatic, if you press one of these paddles, you're gonna go up a gear, right? Normal paddle shifting. But since I have a manual car, these activate the rev match mode. So instead of doing heel to toe, I can just tap one of these. See how my gearing just turned yellow? Now if I downshift into third, it automatically shifts into third, or it rev matches into third. So I just gotta let go of the clutch. I don't have to touch my gas pedal. I'll do it again. Just did it into second. Easy day. Easy day. So that's all that does. It's just rev match mode, pretty much. Is this closed? It's not closed. Awesome. Okay. So we're gonna shoot a quick little video here on how to drive a manual car, and then we'll drive back to my house. Yeah. So be right back, guys. It'll probably be half a second for you guys. All right, we are back. It looks like I kind of fixed the angle, so hopefully this looks a lot better, guys. Just finished up that how to drive a stick shift video, so you guys will be seeing that. Actually, you'll probably see that before I drop this video. So yeah, but let's go. Let's roll. Let's head back home. Rolling. I wish I had got what just happened on video. Is a dude like in a lifted like rat race Jeep. He pulled up next to me and started revving his engine, and I started revving mine back at him. Fun times. All right, take these glasses off because this fucks up everything. Alrighty. So yeah, much wider angle. We're in first. I would spin them for you guys, but you know, let's get it, huh? No cars coming that way. Got one. We'll let him go. Yeah. Keep it going. Here we go. Let's go. Oh yeah. So something that's kind of funny about my car, I don't know if this is normal. If you guys have modified C7s, you guys let me know in the comments below. But so since I modified my car and got it tuned, I can get my car to backfire, but only when I upshift in rev match mode. So let me kind of give you an example. Let me we'll go into second. So I'm in rev match mode, and you'll hear a little backfire right now. You guys hear it? It only does that when I'm in rev match mode and I upshift. So if anyone can explain to me why that is happening, please let me know. I don't think it's a bad thing. I think it's okay. I don't think it's gonna hurt my car. I've heard people's cars backfire way harder and way crazier than that. So I think, you know, the one little explosion anytime I'm in rev match mode and upshifting, I think that's okay. I think it's okay. Now, another thing, people like to hate on the rev match mode. Like, oh, you're a pussy. You can't fucking heel toe into third gear. I can heel toe, guys. Look at that. Heel toe. No rev match mode at all. Look. I can do that. However, I know that by using rev match mode, I'm saving the clutch on this car. That's probably why I have over 100,000 miles on this car and have not had to change the clutch, is because I'll say it all, I religiously use the rev match mode. It's easier, takes less strain off your body, especially if you're daily driving this as like your commuter, like I do. It's easier. So I can attest that the rev match mode is a good thing, and you should probably use it if you want to prolong the life of your clutch on this car. I'll say that. That's what I will say. 100,000 miles, no clutch issues, never changed the clutch one time. Yeah. So don't let motherfuckers tell you that, oh, rev match mode is bad and you should be heel towing like a real man and all this bullshit. Like, dude, most people that tell me that don't even have manual cars, so I don't understand it. Alrighty. It's cruising through the town. Thank you guys for coming along for this little cruise. Maybe I'll start doing more videos like this. I was thinking about doing videos like this when I get off of work, because I get off at like 2:30 and I'm also in the Bay Area, so you guys can actually see some highway driving and all that stuff. So that's usually kind of fun. And usually every time when I get off of work, there's always somebody else on the highway that is trying to race me, and it becomes a thing. So maybe I'll start bringing this GoPro with me to work so I can record when I get off. But yeah. So if you guys could, in the comments, if there's anything that you want to see extra on my channel or something you're more curious about, let me know. So future videos, I do have some new mods on the way. I'll go ahead and let you guys know right now. If you watch this video, you guys will have the upper hand before anybody else knows about it. But yeah, we're getting a new steering wheel, carbon fiber steering wheel, custom. We're getting that. And then I also ordered the MGW short throw shifter, so that should be coming as well. So it's 2 videos on the way, so be on the lookout for those. Cannot wait to get that short throw shifter in this car, because this shifter, look at this, I mean, look how far back I gotta go just to get in the 4th gear. I'm all the way back here. It's ridiculous. I've actually a while back, maybe I think it was like 2016, I was actually going to trade this car in for a burnt orange C7 that actually had an MGW shifter installed, and I test drove it, and that thing felt amazing. And since then I've always wanted one, and for whatever reason I never pulled the trigger, probably because I didn't have the money to do it. But now that I do, I said fuck it, and yeah, MGW shifter on the way. So hopefully that thing is amazing as it was when I first tested it out. This guy's impatient right here, so he's got to drive in the dirt. Okie dokie, buddy. Yeah, it's okay. Almost home. But yeah, thank you guys for coming along for this video. As always, I appreciate all the support on the videos. It means a shit ton to me. Like, you guys have no idea. Like, just seeing the comments, just like, dude, like, seeing the comments, positive, negative, it doesn't really matter to me. Just knowing that I have an audience of over 1,000 people that are subscribed to my channel for my content, which my content is okay. It's nothing amazing, you know. That's crazy, and just shows me, you know, the potential of the channel, of what it could be and what it can be. So I appreciate all you guys for subscribing, for sure. Yeah. Oh, and if you guys are still into shoes and all that stuff, let me know if you guys want me to do some shoe reviews. I got plenty of shoes to review. I just haven't done one in a while, but I probably should do some more. If you guys want to see that content still. Fashion videos, I can do some of those as well. Some outfit videos. Yeah. Also in the market, we're looking for a second vehicle for the channel. So I kind of narrowed my options down to, I think it's like 2 or 3 vehicles that I'm kind of looking at right now. So yeah, when that vehicle comes to the channel, this Corvette will get a little rest break. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's hard as hell to make content. Not hard as hell, it's hard to continue to make content on the same vehicle. You gotta be super creative with you know, what you're kind of doing and all that stuff. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. If you can, follow the Instagram, of course. That's at bad_C7. You guys will probably see that in the beginning of this video. But until next time, guys, Lee Vlogs out. Thank you for coming along on this drive.